me show you a site. A shopping channel. Wesley's Whimsical.
Hi, I'm Wesley, and welcome to Wesley's Whimsical Wheezes, the one-stop shop for all your worldly desire. Today, I have 3 products to show you that will blow your mind. Here's product 1. Ta-da! A classic Macintosh, the latest in dial-up technology. It doesn't turn on, but it's a great paperweight. If you call now, this high-tech machine can be yours for $2. Ooh, looks like we have a caller. Hi, thanks for calling.
Hi, how you doing? This is Chuck Harrisburg. You do know that it's 2024. Why on earth are you selling me a computer from the 70s that doesn't work?
Sold!
What?
Thank you, buyer.
I didn't buy a computer from the 70s.
Product number 2. Up next, this lovely THX logo intro. Guaranteed to go with any outfit. Ah, lovely. This can be yours for just 2 easy payments of $1,000. Wonderful! Another caller. Hello, generous buyer.
Yeah, I don't think you have the copyright to sell the THX logo.
Fantastic! We're running your credit card as we speak.
What?
So, product number 3. For a final piece of one-of-a-kind original bubble zap. Another call already.
Sold! I'll take it!
Oh, sorry. This isn't for sale. It's priceless.
No!
Bye! Thanks for tuning in. See you next time on Wesley Whimsical Wheezes. Bye!